Nigeria more confused, perplexed with lots of questions as to whether the Nigerian Constitution, Electoral Act, and other laws guiding the conduct of credible election in our dear country are still functional. Close observation from these faces of Nigerians in all nooks and crannies spell hopelessness and despair since the pronouncement of the judgment yesterday. Lawyers, politicians, and other relevant stakeholders from all divides were also left more confused and frightened as both law and facts were visibly thrown overboard. However, as law-abiding political party, we received the judgment with shock along with other Nigeria and friends of Nigeria. Therefore, we must not, withstanding the burden of cost and general inconvenience, these issues must be settled. For what is at stake is beyond personal gains. It is to force pronouncement on some of these unacceptable ethical issues for the love of the country and its future generation. I also call on members not to lose focus and be distracted. The NWC is doing everything possible to keep this party together so that we will give this government a credible opposition. And we will continue to pursue our mandate. We have resolved, despite every obstacle, to continue and seek redress where we were expecting we will give them opportunity to give us a policy direction from the Apex Court. This will determine the future of this country. Secondly, I want to assure you we will immediately reform the election management framework of our party in order to be ready and equipped so that we will face the challenges ahead. We want to start immediately with the coming elections in Kogi, Imo, and Bayelsa. We therefore plead with all peace-loving Nigerians, members of our political party and friends of this beautiful nation to stay calm. We feel your pulse in these trying times of our country. The difficulty that these policies have inflicted on the citizens of this country is not unnoticeable. And we know that with the hope that we will keep alive, we will surmount this. We understand the excruciating hardship, the inhuman policies, and the government of the APC-led administration has exposed you to. We are not unmindful of that. Be hopeful. We strongly believe there is going to be the light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you. Yeah, it was a short notice. Some are not even in the country, like the former Senate President and others. They have sent apologies. So this.
Thank you, sir. It is now time to humbly invite to the microphone for his test at this meeting.